Crowbars, brooms, and field shovels. Come on, like, all I need is, like, even a pickaxe. Something. Come on, Daisy. Hello? Is anybody around? Electro, I need assistance. Hello, Electro. Hello! Hello! I need your assistance!
Okay.
I need help!
What do you need help with?
I need to go get revenge. And I need help with it.
Revenge against who?
Oh, I hear a vehicle. The men who took my life.
I hear you!
Hey, do you think I could have some of your precious Mosin ammo? Oh, I hear blaze shots off in the distance.
That awkward moment when I don't even have any Mosin ammo.
Nice. Well, we could go search for something. Let's go find some, and I'll remember.
Go fuck in the woods.
You remember Pink? I'll remember Dress, and we can split some ammo here.
Can we bang sometime?
After ammo, yes.
After ammo?
Yeah, after we find ammo.
that's a steep call, buddy.
Hey, you find ammo, you're in, buddy. That's not the hardest deal in the world.
Oh, wow.
I've had harder plays than that. Look at that hear that vehicle? You might have a vehicle heading your way. Who's driving around my town? Crazy. No, he just drove through Electro.
There's nothing in here. Search this building.
God damn it.
Let's just search over here. We'll regroup at school.
Okay. And I found some, but I'm not going to share with him.
Buddy!
Did you find some?
Him by putting it in his body.
Who killed you? I want to know.
Oh, I have no clue.
Are they in Camarovo? Towards that way?
No, I died up north, like near Berezino. Why, what's up?
There's some guys on the way to Berenzino. We must take them out. They're bad guys.
In Camiwobo?
Let's go get them, cuz.
Alright, let's do it. Did you find ammo or not?
Hey, yeah, I dropped some at your feet. Man. Now please don't fuck me over. It's right here. It's right here. I'm standing.
No, I won't. Oh, truck.
Cover me, please.
Yeah.
Come on, man. We could be a great team, dude. I can't wait, dude. We're gonna get those fucking scrubs, dude.
Matt. Oh, he's, yeah.
They're just sitting up there killing crap.
Up in the field there.
Oh, I hear gunshots.
Yeah, probably at that truck. They're probably sniping that truck, or trying to. The gunshots seem to be, like, behind the fire station, up the hill this way.
Behind us?
Yeah, like, the way that I'm facing right now, that seems to be where those Mosin or Blaze shots were coming from. Up that hill.
Alright, cuz. Let's do this.
So what do you want to do? You want to do Berezino?
Can't stay here with us.
Or go rush these guys?
Yeah,
shooting?
let's go.
Okay, let's do.
Oh, you wanna rush them, dude? Let's do it.
What
are we doing?
Let's go this way. Let's go to Cami.
Alright, let's go get those guys and go get those guys in Berenzino.
Alright.
Wait, what kind of guys killed you in Berenzino? Because I died there earlier too.
Oh, no clue. I would assume a sniper, a Mosin. I just was running and you were dead.
Are you guys in Electro?
Heard the shot.
Alright.
Or Matt, you're in Electro?
So I was running in there, right?
Okay.
And I met this guy, okay, and then he was talking to me, and I thought he was creepy, and he's following me. But I grabbed his gun and stuff, and I started running, and then I was looking behind me with alt and stuff. I seen two guys falling. Shot him right in the legs, and his legs broke. Then there was another one, and he had an SKS. Then he was the one that killed me. And he was camping that hospital room where there's no other entrance except for that one way.
Oh yeah.
Or from the top.
Blaze.
Yeah.
Like the little back room on the right.
Yeah, I'm just up the hill.
Well, actually, I always mess up the story. He had an M4, and I ran in there and I had a shotgun, right?
I just got some
Yep,
intel.
the sound of people's legs breaking is an amazing thing.
Truck.
Oh shit.
Yo, I shot the crap out of that guy. I saw the blood splatter.
You killed my friends.
Wait.
Yeah, let's go back. Let's go back.
I think you got him.
I might have got him.
Oh my god, you're a fucking king! You're a fucking king, bro.
Crazy.
It doesn't sound like my friend.
You're a fucking king.
I just sniped the guy to the truck with the blaze.
Awesome. Did he die?
We're really
Oh.
darn sure.
My god, dude.
Oh no, he's going to.
Oh no!
He's down. He's down.
Awesome.
Oh no, he's not.
He is? Oh my god, he is! You're king again!
Down now.
Jesus.